With driver profiles, you can set and save driver preferences for each driver on your account. Adjust the front row seat position and lumbar support using the buttons on the side of the driver's seat. Adjust each side mirror by selecting Controls, then Mirrors, and using the left scroll wheel to adjust each side mirror. Select Steering Wheel and use the left scroll wheel to set it to a comfortable position. To select between driver profiles, touch the driver profile icon at the top of the control screen, choose the driver, and Model S is adjusted based on the settings that have been saved to the chosen driver profile. For multiple drivers, link each driver profile to the driver's phone key, and Model S will automatically adjust to the driver profile as they open the door. Select Controls, Locks, and toggle the driver icon to link the desired driver profile. The name of the driver profile appears under the phone key to confirm that it's linked. If you change the position of the driver's seat, steering wheel, or side mirrors after you've saved or chosen a driver profile, you can save the new position or restore the previously saved position using the touchscreen.